Good morning, folks. Welcome to Mrs. Zhang's Happy Peace class. Today, we will discuss 3 awesome reading skills that we all need to know when we read a book. Okay, let's begin today's class. As Mrs. Zhang mentioned last class, we are going to talk about how to find the front cover page, the back cover page, and the title page of a book. The second skill is we should all know how to hold a book correctly and turn the page appropriately. The last skill is how we read the words in a book by using the right orders. Okay, let's begin today's class. Now, I want you all put your favorite book next to you. You probably have read this book many times before. So can you please tell us, where do you usually start reading this book? The reason I ask this question to all folks is, when we start reading a book, we all want to see what kind of the book this is, or where can we find the name of this book. Therefore, we usually start reading the book with the front cover page and try to find the full name of the book and see if we still want to choose this book to read. Normally, front page cover is the first part of a book that includes title and the author name. Most of the time, we can look at the images or graphics on the front cover page to see or guess what kind of the book this is. Now, I want all of you open the book to the very first page, and this page is also including the title of the book, the author name, and who is the publisher. And how do we call this page? Yes, that's right, the title page. After we all know the front cover page, the title page of a book, can you try to find the back cover page of a book by yourself? Yes, that's right. The back cover page is the last part of the book. It should have a short summary of what the book is about and what author tries to tell all readers. So don't forget to read the back cover page of your favorite book to see if the author wants to tell you more about his or her book. Now let's have a fun activity. Go grab your favorite book and put it next to you. Share with your peer about the front cover page, the title page, and the back cover page. Then switch your role, share again. After the fun activity, I think all of you have already learned something from the class today. Let's have a 2 fun pop quiz here. Did you hold the book correctly? When you read a book, how did you turn the page? Okay, for next class, we will discuss how we should read the words in a book by the correct order. Thank you all for attending today's class. I will see you at the next class.